how to remove pesticides from your fruits and veggies at home because no one wants those extra chemicals on their plate, right? So, here are some easy, effective ways to make your produce cleaner and safer to eat. First up, rinse with cold water. It's simple. Just hold your fruits or veggies under running water and give them a gentle rub. This works great for things like apples, tomatoes, or cucumbers. It's quick, easy, and gets rid of a lot of surface pesticides. Next, try a saltwater soak. Just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt in a bowl of water and let your produce sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off afterward, and you're good to go. This is especially great for leafy greens or veggies like broccoli. If you've got some vinegar at home, you're in luck. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water and either soak or spray your produce. Rinse it off after a few minutes, and you've just knocked out even more of those pesky pesticides. This works wonders for things like apples, pears, or peppers. Now, here's a pro tip: baking soda. Just add a teaspoon to 2 cups of water, soak your produce for 12 to 15 minutes, and rinse. It's amazing for fruits like grapes or berries, and it's super effective at breaking down pesticide residues. For veggies with thicker skins like carrots or potatoes, peeling is your best friend. It removes the outer layer where most pesticides hang out. And if you're cooking veggies like broccoli or green beans, try blanching. Boil them for a minute or two, then pop them in ice water. It's a game changer. Oh, and don't forget to scrub those firm veggies like potatoes or beets with a clean brush. It helps get into all those little crevices where dirt and pesticides love to hide. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even buy or make your own produce wash. Just mix lemon juice, vinegar, and baking soda in water, and you've got a powerful cleaning solution. And here's a bonus tip: always dry your produce with a clean cloth or paper towel after washing. It helps remove any leftover residues and keeps things fresh. Oh, and if you can, buy organic, especially for those fruits and veggies on the dirty dozen list, like strawberries or spinach. Fewer pesticides to start with means less work for you. So there you have it: simple, effective ways to clean your fruits and veggies at home. Try these tips, and you'll be eating cleaner, healthier produce in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.